Hi everybody, in this video I want to make a full guide how to register, how to start on TEEPUBLIC. I want to share my thoughts about this, my experience, and that will not be only push here and type here. It will be also some more difficult questions about bans that you can have and another problems that you can experience when registering a new store on TEEPUBLIC. First of all, sorry of course for my English. I understand that it's not so great, but I'm working on it and I hope that in some time it will become better. TEEPUBLIC is a great platform for designers, for independent artists that want to sell their designs on different products. Of course, shorts, hoodies, sweatshirts, some masks and mugs and others. Of course, the main part of sales, there are shorts, but not only. There are other good products that you can design for and then sell in your storefront. But let's start with a simple registration guide to set up a new account, not even account, but a selling account. Yeah, you can be an owner of a buyer account, but if you want to sell some your designs, some your artworks, you need to sign up as an artist. And to do that, you need to go to main page and there is a button sign up. By pushing it, you will see this form where you need to type your first name, last name, your email address that you will need to confirm after that, select your country where you are from, where are you living, and of course password. And after that you simply push create my account button. And of course I want to say that that's all, but to be honest, that's not all that you need to do, because after that you need to type your payment details, which is not so difficult. You can simply go to that page. Here my account and account, and you can choose how you like to get paid, through PayPal or Payoneer. If through PayPal you need only to type your PayPal email address, and if you want to get paid on Payoneer, you also need to type your email address, but also you need to set up receiving of payments in your Payoneer account. Sometimes TEEPUBLIC helps you in doing that, but I know a lot of cases when you understand that you didn't confirmed TEEPUBLIC as your partner to Payoneer only when you didn't receive your first payment that should be. And then of course you can write an email to support of TEEPUBLIC and they will help you, and of course they can help you even before that, while you didn't connect TEEPUBLIC to your Payoneer account. But now not about this. Okay, you settled up your account, and what now? Of course you can upload your first design. It can be made simply by choosing my account and upload a design, but often after that you can't find your designs. I prefer not searching for it, because sometimes, especially if you have designs on topics with high competition, you can definitely have some problems with searching your design. But in another way, you can check if your designs are searchable by clicking here, new teas on sale, in the bottom of the TEEPUBLIC main page. And if there are no your designs that you uploaded, so there are some problems. As I understood from different cases of registration on TEEPUBLIC, there can be three main variants of what to do and how the things will look to your account in future. First of all, I recommend you to upload not 1 or 2 or 3 designs, but at least 10 designs to your shop. Then you also need to customize your store. It will be better if you will also add more details, add a description, and also add some social links to your other accounts that will give additional trust to your account from the public system. And also, if your designs are not searchable, you cannot find it. And of course, that's the time to write to TEEPUBLIC support. As I remember, it's community teepublic.com, but you also can write from a support form, a contact us form. And if you will say them that your designs are not searchable, I saw 3 variants of replies to such a letter, and the first is the greatest one. They say, yes, that's our problem, we checked it and we fixed it, you now can find your designs. But there are also 2 another options. It's like I said, you will be needed to customize your store and add more designs, and only after that you will be searchable. And the third reply is that TEEPUBLIC don't want to offer a searchable variant of store to all designers, and you are not the designers that they want to work with. Yes, you can have a store, but you can advertise it only with your direct links, and in that way, of course, there are no any reasons why you should register on TEEPUBLIC, because of course you want to have a part of their search and their promotion to get some sales. There's also another option that you can be banned after uploading a couple of designs, and usually it's an automatic ban, but the problem is that it is really difficult to get in touch with support or some person that can help you with that. In some cases we tried to talk with some person from TEEPUBLIC using their contact form, using their different emails, not only support email, but also other their emails, using their LinkedIn profile, and also some different variants of connection to them. But usually it's not giving you a lot of profit from that. Yes, of course, I can also say that it usually depends on your location. If you are from US or maybe from Canada, UK, Germany, it will be easier to register and start selling without any problems. But if you are from some undeveloped countries such as Russia or Turkey or Algeria or some other countries, it's not so easy, because I think that they have some filter to these countries, and there is higher percentage of bans after registration. Yes, I can also name a lot of persons that registered from that countries too, but problems seems to appear much more often. And I think if you have problems with registration, you have a banned account, or your account is not searchable, you need to register another one, maybe from other device, and for and using other documents, other PayPal or other Payoneer, and that can be a case. But to be honest, it is usually a lot of problems in registering TEEPUBLIC, especially now, if from your device first time it was unsuccessful. Anyway, I hope that you will not face such problems. I wish you a good sales on TeePublic, and I hope you will also subscribe to this channel. In future, I will add a lot of videos about growth on not only TeePublic, but on other pod print-on-demand platforms, how you can make your designs, how you can make profit from this kind of business, and not only from pod business too. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you soon. Bye.